Hello, Eagle Tech family. Today at Eagle Tech, we have a Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus screen damage we will be replacing. Customer required that we use an aftermarket one. So we will be removing everything from the damaged phone to a new screen and frame. Here we start removing the screws. As you see, we're gonna remove all the parts, battery, motherboard, cables, subboard, speakers, cameras, everything, all cables, everything. This job usually take about 45 minutes and we don't require an appointment. We open 7 days a week, 9 a.m. to 7 p.m. Here is the final results. The phone literally like brand new again. Come check us out. Thank you.